Hi, in this video I will show you how to access Tesla cabin camera footage or recordings on Model 3 and Model Y. So in order to do this, I have in here this top article from Tesla about the Model Y's owner's manual. So we have in here their cabin camera and you can see it right around here. So your cabin camera can determine driver inattentiveness and provide you with audible alerts. So by default, images and video from the camera do not leave the vehicle itself and are not transmitted to anyone, including Tesla, unless you enable data sharing. So you can actually enable it by going over to the controls, software, data sharing, and allow cabin camera analytics. And you should be able to go over and unuse it by going to controls, software, and cabin camera option. So if you enable data sharing and save the critical event occurs, such as collision, Model shares short cabin camera video clips with Tesla to help them develop future safety enhancement. So you can head over and also access it using the app itself. So that's all there is today.